All right, so I was thinking about just making a quick story on this with this diagram I came across, but it's actually so important that I want to make a post explaining it, and hopefully you guys share it to make you guys better understand this concept. So what am I talking about here and what's going on? So basically these are all pictures of the same structure. It's actually a structure of cholic acid, which is a common bile salt in your body, used for digestion functions, things like that. It's derived from cholesterol. So we still have that cholesterol backbone, and this is the same 4-carbon ring backbone that it's present in steroid structures. So this 4-carbon ring backbone, as well as the positions of the methyl groups here and here where they're on that wedge, the wedge means they're basically sticking out, are also common shared traits with steroids. So what I say here is also going to apply for the most part to steroids. So these are just the same picture when you're looking at the molecule flat, if you draw it. But what I want to highlight here is this structure right here. So this is basically a drawing of this same structure from the side. So instead of, looking down on a piece of paper, you're actually looking at it from the side, and you can see the orientation of these functional groups. So here at the bottom side, we can see we have 3 hydroxyl groups and this group here, which is only going to be applying to this particular bile salt. But these groups basically are more electronegative sides of the molecule, meaning that this is basically the business side of the molecule. This is the side of the molecule that's going to form interactions with receptors and things like this. So you can see that on this side of the molecule, let's say the receptors down here. So here on this side of the molecule, you have a very good opportunity for the molecule to bind to the receptor down here. Now, on the other hand, if we had a receptor up here over the top of the molecule, and again, we're trying to reach those specific functional groups, we're not going to be able to hit that receptor properly, because all of these functional groups, these methyl groups here, are in the way, preventing the receptor and this molecule from properly binding. So that's really the point I want to get across with this video. The positioning of functional groups may seem like a very small detail whenever you see it on paper like this, but when you see it from this view, it gives you a much clearer picture of what's really going on. Slight alterations in structure